loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Look Incredible, my secret box June edition, and this is a subscription box that comes every other month. It came July and next one will come in September, so you don't get it every month, which I do like. And this is high-end luxury box, which means that you will get only high-end products, and it is priced at £65, which is around 80 euros if you were wondering. And this month's box value is £149.50. I will put, as usual, all the info on the box on my blog, which I will link down below if you wanna check it out. You can easily do so. And let's go in and see what I got. I have everything in front of me. The first thing is, which was extra, is this Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. I have not used any of these, so I'm happy to give this one a go. Now, the first item in this is from Becca. This is, it's empty. I took the product already out, so I wouldn't have to spend time. Anyway, this is the outside package. This is the outside packaging. It, I believe, was from their limited edition winter collection, but this ended up in my box. It's the Becca a Press Skin Glow face palette. So I'm wearing the highlighter Rose Quartz and blush Winter Berry. I think you could use it any time of the hair. Yeah, only the outside packaging is wintry. I have tried also already the bronzer, which I really like. So you have 2 blushes and 3 kind of highlighters. This blush though, it seems too much. I don't know. It's like pure. Is it even a blush? Let me see. Yeah, it's a blush copper, but I can't see myself wear this ever. Anyway, I think 5 out of 6 working for me is a pretty good value, and this retail price is £40, and everything in this is available on Look Incredible page. So if you miss this and you wanna get it, you can still do it on their page. Next one is from Hourglass, and it's their Extreme Sheen High Shine Lip Gloss. I'm wearing it on my lips today with other products, and the shade I got is Primal. This is how it looks. It looks so lovely, and I will swatch it here. It applies evenly. It's such a nice color with a, like on its own, or like with a lip liner. I like to wear glosses with lip liners. I just like the combo. It's super beautiful, and it retails for £22. Next we have a duo from Urban Decay. It's the ultimate bra pair in shade Bad Blood. So it's the Wise lipstick and 24-hour 7 Glide On lip pencil. This is the combo I'm wearing. It's beautiful, red, everything is richly pigmented and gorgeous. Here's the swatch of the pencil. So pretty, so pretty. Someone who loves reds, this is like just what I need. And look at this lipstick color. It kind of clashes with my walls. This is my new beauty room, by the way. Like, if you see a mess, it's because I'm just setting it up. I unpacked all my makeup yesterday. I set up most how I want it. I just need to work on the background. Yeah, this is the swatch of it. It's so pretty. How beautiful is this shade? I love reds. I will, yeah, all these products so far have been just what I needed, and this set retails for £50. Now next is amazing. I have never ever tried the brand, so I was eager to get my hands on it, and it's from Gucci. It's the refreshing lightweight moisturizer. So I used it today under my makeup, and this feels super fine. It has like a light fresh scent to it, and it's not too fragrance. Like I find some high-end brands, it smells too perfumey, but this is slight scent, really enjoyable, really nice. I love it. And this retails for £50. And I like there is some skincare items as well, like the next one, which is from Bare Minerals. It's the Ageless Genius Firming and Wrinkle Smoothing Serum, formulated with gold peptides, vitamin A, and peach bud extract. This is how it looks. Sounds wonderful, and definitely something I need. I want some firming action, and I have some fine lines I want to work on. So yes, definitely something I want to try, and I have never tried Bare Minerals skincare before, so it's good. So yes, and this retails for £48, and as you can see, everything is full size. No minis, no testers. I like it, and I got makeup. I got some nice high-end skincare to try. So yes, yeah, this is it for this video. I hope I can get to my usual schedule. If you liked this video, please subscribe and give me thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.